Only God can do this. I have great weakness. This is impossible. Only God can do this. I think Moses has learned these three things. And so he goes in verse 6 back to Pharaoh, courageously doing the impossible, not because what he finds within him, but because of the God who is with him. There's a wonderful lesson for us there as Christians in this. We can find the strength and courage to obey God not because of what we find in ourselves. You do not have to get in front of your bathroom mirror and talk yourself up into courage to try to obey God. You will never find enough that is worthy or courageous enough to do it when you look in the mirror. You will be deceived if you think you arrive at a place like that. But when we know the Lord who is with us, we can always go forward in boldness and courage, come what may.